Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Want to explode your follower count and reward your biggest spenders without stopping your auctions? This year, Whatnot's new simultaneous run feature is a game changer. Today, I'm showing you how to set up a standard, follower-only, and buyer appreciation giveaways to keep your room buzzing. Alright, so you can set this up before you go live or on the fly. In your show's inventory, tap the shop icon and go to the giveaway tab. So, pro tip for you also, use temporary listings for quick giveaways. Just enter a title like mystery pack, set the quantity, and choose your shipping weight. Under who can enter, select your strategy, everyone for max reach, followers only to grow your base, or buyer appreciation to reward people who've already made a purchase in that show. And do not skip this part. So Whatnot this year requires a clear official rules statement. For buyer appreciation giveaways, the law requires a free alternative method of entry. Whatnot handles this by allowing non-buyers to enter via a web form, but as a seller, you must include the phrase "no purchase necessary" in your giveaway description to stay compliant with the sweepstakes laws. And here's the secret sauce. Once you hit Run Giveaway, a 5-minute timer starts at the bottom of the screen. In the past, you had to wait. Now, you can immediately go back to your auction tab and start your next item. The giveaway box stays pinned in a mini view, so viewers can enter without losing sight of the bidding. It's the best way to leverage the giveaway rush to drive higher bids on your active items. And then, when the timer hits 0, the winner is drawn automatically, or you can tap End Early to draw right then. And you'll find and the giveaway order is created instantly. And you'll find it in your Seller Hub alongside your sales. And this is how you master giveaways this year. If this tutorial helped you grow your shop today, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.